This video demonstrates how to engage and disengage the hoist disconnect for the LiftMaster Industrial DC Commercial Door Hoist Style Operators model JHDC. These products are not for residential use. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained, professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained, professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. To prevent possible serious injury or death from a falling door or arm, disconnect electric power to the operator before manually operating your door. Do not stand under the door arm when pulling the emergency release. If possible, use emergency disconnect only when the door is closed. Weak or broken springs or an unbalanced door could result in an open door falling rapidly and/or unexpectedly. Never use emergency release handle unless doorway is clear of persons and obstructions. The Industrial DC Hoist Operator has many safety features, one of which is the manual disconnect system. In the event of a power outage, these operators are equipped with a manual hoist. To disengage the operator and engage the manual hoist, firmly pull the green disengage rope. You can now pull on the continuous loop hoist chain to move the door up or down in your desired direction. To re-engage the operator, fully close the door to its original position and firmly pull the red re-engage rope. Confirm the operator is fully engaged by pulling the continuous loop chain. The door should no longer move and the chain will slide easily without resistance. If everything looks good, run the door to confirm normal operation. The operator is installed and ready to use. To learn more about Maxim error codes, visit our support site.